Hello, welcome to Grassroots Piano. Jim here, your teacher. Today is week 2 of beginning rhythm patterns or beginning accompaniments, however we search it on YouTube. I'm very excited to get into this series. Thank you for subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so then you don't miss out on other video lessons. The first warm-up is going to be that. The exercise is more of a warm-up, although I am leaving out some steps because I did that in week 1 and I want to save everyone some time and just apply the new stuff. I'm also going to get a bit more into singing because I can't tell you how important it is for our ear. Too many times we have patterns going, we're staring at our hands, but we're not really hearing everything, and that is not always a good thing because, right, it's an auditory art. So here I go. I'm going to play it one time through, and then the next time I'm going to hum the roots or sing them out loud. You can do that if you wish. You can also get your tablet out or phone and play with me if you like. Here I go. 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Really focus on the hand position. I'm staring at my microphone. There is a microphone there. And now I'm going to sing just the roots in my range. La, la, la. Ba ba da bum bum, da da dee dum bum. I will show you this. Ba ba dee dum bum. All right, what I attempted to do is I sang the first 5 notes of starting from the root C D E F G, and then I did the G A B C D A B C D E F G A B C. So if that is a little overwhelming, not a big deal. Don't beat yourself up, and you want to record yourself singing so you can hear where you are. Most of the time, we're going to sing flat if you're not opening up your mouth. The big thing is just hum the roots first, and then maybe just sing up the 5, and then you can go back down. But we need to get the pattern 2, which is kind of like another warm up. The left hand now is going to do half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. 3, 4, and I missed that half note because I was thinking about something. That's all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and ba da dee da dum, ba da dee dum bum. You can sing what you want to. Ba da da dum, ba da dee dum bum. Again, and 1, 2. Notice I'm looking straight ahead because that's the microphone, and if you're sitting up straight, you will be able to. No wonder that I don't feel that bad because Lisa from Piano Note doesn't always play right when she's talking and singing. It's hard to do. Talking and singing. Oh my God. Talking and playing. Anyway, you definitely want to, even if you don't have a microphone, you want to think about sitting up straight and singing this way because you're going to get a much better sound. That's part of the problem. All right, back to the piano world. The 2 other patterns are a little more left hand detailed. So what that means is we're going to do what we did last week with the right hand, but now with the left hand. I will demonstrate. 1, 2, and 3. 1, and 3. And 2, and 3. Hope you're sticking around because the next one is a lot of fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 4, and 1, 2, 4. All right, now the left hand goes down here, and I'm gonna play the root and then the 5th, like this. 1, 4, and A minor, and then F. So that will take some work for the newer learner, so you really practice the 1, and A minor, and I've brought this tip up before, master the first 2 measures. And if you got that, you're thinking ahead. After you got boom, oh I got it, I'm gonna go to A minor, and so I'm trying to teach in a fluid, loose, but structured way just to make sure everyone's comfortable, and no matter where you are in your musical stage and your growth, you, me, everyone will always trip over themselves when we're practicing because that's how we learn. I'm about to finish this video, but hopefully you hear that wonderful snowplow outside because we're having a huge snowstorm. It's very exciting. Let me know if you like how I'm doing these lessons because I want to do a bunch more. Until next time, as always, keep
keep practicing, keep playing, keep listening. Bye for now.